Welcome all. I'm here today to teach you how to take your RAM out of your laptop, and so you can replace it. First, you need to open your BAYAP to expose what your RAM is. It's a bit hard. I only want hand to do this with, so every little cheating way is do it. Alright, you need to take your RAM out. What you do is it clips on the side here where my finger is. Sorry with my finger, but there they are there. You flick each side out until the RAM pops up like that. You hold the RAM either side and you just gently wiggle and it will just come out. There's the RAM. Now you take it aside, you do it with the other stick. Each side till the RAM comes out, slides out, RAM comes out, that's it. Both RAM sticks are gone. Now you get your new RAM, you grab your new RAM, you push it right up to the connector, so it clips in like so. Then just push it in so the connectors are all covered, and then just push down till it clicks. Make sure both connectors are in. Get the other RAM stick, make sure the notches, little notches there, you get the little notches together, push them in like so, until it clips in, and then push the RAM in. Put the lid back on. Put your screw back in the hole, and we're done.